Good morning, and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
So we're here at our first course of the year. We're very, very excited. It's our intro course in February, and this wonderful woman from
Birmingham, Alabama.
was so happy to come up here and see the winter of Buffalo, and we're having a great time at the course. Tell me a little bit about this, Dr. Burrow. What have you thought about the course today?
Well, the first thing I had to get ready for the course. It was cold in Alabama. I said, I know it's going to be cold in Buffalo. So I got a big coat. But seriously,
Okay.
I did some dental stuff too. I practiced dentistry in Birmingham, Alabama. And I was just excited to get here and find out about the implants that patients want so much. And they want them to replace teeth that are missing. And so I just have a job to do.
That's beautiful. And tell me, so far, like Dr. Shatkin lectured today, we've had some great sessions. What did you think was most beneficial from what you learned today? I know we got a full day tomorrow with some live surgery, but what do you think of the course today?
Well, if I had to give something or someone the best information, I would just say, just ready to roll. They covered everything from A to Z, from the beginning to end. They covered questions about finance, location, who's the candidate, the best candidate, what the candidates will ask, and there was no end to the questions. So I really enjoyed the information.
That's great. And we did a little bit of hands-on.
They did hands-on.
Yeah?
I've done implants before, but believe it or not, I learned more about implants. There were some little tricks that you can do that will make your life easier.
This is true. And now you have a daughter here with you.
Oh, I do.
Okay, and now is she contemplating going to dental school?
I am so glad you asked that because she does want to go to dental school. The people here at the organization have loved on her so much, and they brought her in and said, Albertina, you got to go to dental school. And I'm just as happy about that.
That's awesome.
I am.
That is so great. We love everybody here at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. So would you recommend to any other dentist to come up to our course and learn how to place these minimally invasive one-piece implants?
You know what? If I didn't know about you guys, I would beg someone to tell me about Shatkin F.I.R.S.T.
All righty. You got it right from the horse's mouth. Dr. Sean Burrow from Birmingham, Alabama. Hi, I'm here with Stephen Reagan from Geneseo, New York. He's at our intro course here in February. And Steve, tell me a little bit about what you've learned in the last few days.
Well, actually, this is my fourth Shatkin course. I like to update every now and then. I've known Tom Shatkin for 17 years. I think if any dentist has any interest in implants at all, albeit whatever implant system you're dealing with, you should come here to this course. It's fabulous. You'll learn so much more in 2 days. If you want to start doing implants, you can buy a kit here at these meetings and go to your office. The next day, you'll be able to put implants in. It's that simple, that easy, and they take all the guesswork out of it.
Well, and that's basically what you did, if I'm not mistaken.
Pretty much right
ago.
on. Oh,
right,
yeah.
Right.
I've done hundreds of mini dental implants, and I couldn't be happier with the course and the education that I've gotten on these courses.
That's excellent. Now, what do you think about the live surgery that you're watching today?
It's fantastic. The facility here is top notch. They don't spare any expense. There's all kinds of learning materials here, and you watch live surgeries, like you said.
Yeah, that's great. Steve, we can't thank you enough for coming over to Buffalo. It's a pleasure to
Tom,
know you.
it's nice to see you again, and I'll be back.
Okay, buddy.
And I hope
Thank
all you will come back too.
All righty, great. Hello, I'm with Dr. Javid from Rochester, New York.
Hi.
Dr. Javid, welcome. It's always a pleasure to have
Always
you
a
at one of our
pleasure,
courses.
Thank you so much, Fritz.
I'd like to talk to you a little bit about how you got started with Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. and what made you come to one of our courses, and tell us a little bit about the dental practice you have and how it all got started and what's going on.
Yeah. So, Fritz, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure being here. Every time I come here, there's always something to learn and something new to gain. So it all started off with Google. And I was looking up Google for some courses on implants and I saw Shatkin and saw mini dental implants. And to be very honest, my experience with mini dental implants was next to zero. So when I went through the website and I looked at things, and I couldn't believe that mini dental implants could do so great things. So I said, okay, let's give it a shot. So, and I'm in Rochester, New York. I'm just maybe 50 minutes away from you.
Yeah,
So I said,
pretty close.
Yeah, that's perfect for me.
Yeah.
So I came in when was it, September 2023. And
Right.
you know what? September 2023, I came in for the 2-year course. And you know what happened after 2 months?
What?
I placed 3 mini dental implants after a month.
All right.
And then I came in
Perfect.
for the second course as well, for the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. And Dr. Shatkin, I must say, the way he explains things, he makes everything so easy. I always thought, and especially I want to tell the viewers also, that I thought placing implants was something like a neurosurgery or like tons of doctors all over you with stitches and blood and a patient going back with a swollen face. When I placed my first 3 implants, I couldn't believe that I have placed 3 implants in less than in an hour. I mean, for Dr. Shatkin, he can place it in maybe 5 minutes maybe, but it took me an hour for my first case.
Sure.
But the patient was happy, the outcome was amazing, and the way Dr. Shatkin explains, I mean, he is better than awesome, I would say. He makes everything so easy and everything so simple, and you can easily understand how to place an implant. So I'm very grateful to Shatkin F.I.R.S.T.
That's wonderful. So you just got done purchasing a practice in
Yes,
Rochester.
that is correct. That is correct.
And this practice that you purchased, it's not up to date on all
Absolutely.
the newer technologies that are available
Absolutely.
today. So when you got into the dental office, what was your first thought? Like, what am I going to do? Like,
Yeah, so it's a great office, and the general dental practice, the dentist previously was mainly doing composite fillings and maybe a little bit of crown and bridge work as well, but there were no implants. When I took over the office, it was a challenge for me because I wanted to introduce the most advanced, latest technologies, the dental implants, and also from endodontic perspective as well. But I had to educate the patients, and at the Shatkin course, so we also learned how to advertise, how to convey the message to the patient that, guys, you do not really need to have those big surgeries done and wait several months. And like in majority of the cases here, you see, you just place the implant, and majority of them are loaded. Like especially the Penguin device and the education on CBCT analysis. So I try to educate the patients that you can get implants maybe even the same day when you come in to get the implant placed. And then the patients, of course, we made flyers, we advertise it, and we are getting patients. Patients are getting educated about mini dental implants, and things are going forward in a positive direction. Once again, thanks to Shatkin F.I.R.S.T.
that is so excellent. It's so good to hear because we love seeing our doctors grow, and you are a classic example of that. So
Yep.
thank you very much, my friend.
Pleasure.
What a pleasure.
Awesome.
And
Thank you so
continue.
much.
Great luck.
Thanks a lot.